I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pancakes from scratch. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder for the dry mix. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, prepare 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 large egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having everything measured out beforehand makes the process much smoother. Now that your ingredients are ready, let's mix the batter. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Make sure these dry ingredients are thoroughly combined. In a separate, smaller bowl, gently whisk the milk, melted butter, egg, and vanilla extract until they are well incorporated. Finally, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir until just combined. A few small lumps are perfectly fine and actually desirable for fluffy pancakes. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes. It's time to cook those delicious pancakes. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or a non-stick pan over medium heat. You can test the heat by sprinkling a few drops of water. They should sizzle and evaporate quickly. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the hot surface. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Flip them carefully and cook until golden brown. Your homemade pancakes are ready to be enjoyed. Serve them warm, stacked high with your favorite toppings. Classic choices include pure maple syrup, fresh berries, or a generous dollop of whipped cream. You could also try chocolate chips, sliced bananas, or a sprinkle of powdered sugar. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, fluffy pancakes, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.